Hello, if you wanna check phone specification on your Nokia 6.2, you have to go to the settings for the first, then we have to swipe and click on the system, then we have to enter the section about phone. So as you can see, there's a couple of informations like phone number, SIM status, model and hardware. Also there's IMEI, Android version, IP address, Wi-Fi, MAC address, Bluetooth address, build number. So there's a lot of stuff that you can check here. And yeah, this is how it looks on this device. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.